file. So we need to create a new property list file, and we have to add the camera usage description. So let's go and do that. So first we will go to File, New, and we will create a new file. Then we will go down and select the property list, and here we will call it info, and we will hit create. Now you will see your info.plist here. You will double click it and you will add a new item. The item will be this NS camera usage description. So we will double click and paste this, and the value will be this string over here. So once you do that, you will right click and show in Finder. You will copy this, or you can drag, and then you will go to products and then OpenCV course, and again show in Finder. So this will show you this debug, so make sure this is visible, and then you will go to your previous Finder and you will drag the info plist over here, and now you will close this. So once we have finished the step number 7 of creating the property list, then we will test the code for webcam. So we will copy all of this and we will go to our Xcode and we will paste it here. And now here I'm using 1, but most probably you will be using 0. So this is the ID number, so you can try which one works for you. So if we hit run, and there you go. So this is my webcam. I have put a black tape in front of it, that's why it's showing this. Otherwise you will see the actual image. So you can press stop. If it asks you for the camera access, you will hit yes, and this will work fine. So now you are all set to get started with OpenCV C++. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to import images, videos, and webcams. So the first thing we will do, here we are in our project, and we are going to right click, and you can right click anywhere and you can create a new item, and we will call this chapter 1. So here, first of all, we are going to include all the header files that we require. Now throughout this course we will need only 3 header files for OpenCV. So in one of the chapters we will need 1 more, but when we go there I will show you how to include that as well. But for the rest of them we will need only 3 files. So we are going to write include, and then we will write OpenCV, and we will first need our image codecs .hpp. Then we will need OpenCV, and we will need the GUI .hpp, and then we will need the image processing. So include, even though we are not using the image processing for the first chapter, we will still need it for the upcoming chapters, so we will include it now. So image processing, yeah, so there you go. Then we will also include the input and output stream. So input output stream, there you go. Okay, so Now we can write our function. So for example, we can write void main, and we don't want to output anything, so we are writing void. So we can start off by writing our path. Now our path will be a string, so we can write here string, but you can see it doesn't recognize string, and the reason is that